I'm just having some issues programming my Liftmaster transmitter. This is the 973LM, and what I found was there's little instructions here, at least on mine. It's probably hard to read. Basically, press and hold the transmitter button, and then press the receiver code button and hold, and then when the opener light flashes, release both in its program. Well, that doesn't work, and you can see if I press the button, that button goes. So the way it actually works, instead, and their instructions are wrong, I just press this, that light goes on, and then within 30 seconds, press this, and it's going to click like that, and then it works. So for whatever reason, the label on this is incorrect, and the real way you do it is press the learn button, it will be lit, and then just within 30 seconds press and hold that till it clicks. So completely confusing, because I kept doing this in every variation of this and it never worked. So I don't know if whoever installed this put the wrong sticker on, or it was wrong at the factory, but that is how you program. I understand it would be the red button Liftmasters.